Alright guys, here we go. This is the Foot Rubz Ball, and I'm going to give you a real close look when it comes to destroying this particular item. Now, because with the Bandsaw, this is a little round ball, I had to make a few modifications to make sure that I'm not going to cut my fingers off. So, we're going to use these little vice grippers to hold that thing in place while I push it through the bandsaw. Anyway, let's check it out. I'm gonna have to fix that again. Anyway guys, let's check out what's inside. Now, I wasn't expecting this to be super exciting inside, and I guess I was right. I don't know, maybe you find this exciting, but this is just more of the green stuff that's on the outside. It doesn't have the little knobs on the inside, obviously, because those ones are designed to help kind of stimulate the circulation a little bit better in the soft tissues. But if you haven't seen the product packaging before, this is what it looks like right here. Foot rubs for your feet and your hands. Easy to use. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do so right here down in the corner, as we'd like to take a look at more products and what they look like inside and what kind of benefit features they may have for your feet as well as your back, maybe your knees. And if you have any questions or any comments, please post them below.